Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Hey, 2026 is 2025. I'm just calling to see if you kept your promise. Did you finally share memories with the naddies? Okay. I knew you would. Now, let's press play. I'll see you on the other side.
I'm not putting it that way. No, shut the up. My exes are not ugly.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through.
Hey guys, so I've taken over now Jomo's vlog. Oh my god, this is so cute. We are using Osmo. Oh my god, I've never seen one before. Okay, so in life you need to have friends who can afford shit that you can't. Okay, so that when they are moving, you go with them. Do you all understand? Thank you. Don't go for broke ass bitches. Okay, so yeah, this is me. You can't be broke and have broke friends too. So yeah, I'm broke and my friend is rich, and now I am using Osmo. So why did you say that?
All of us.
So what else? I've been a pick up, I'm sure.
No, I'm a mother, so I have to take care, but like my daughter is okay, and still driving.
Bam, 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 bam. Hi guys, so I don't know, but I'm sorry I didn't get ready with you guys. I just got here. I'm coming to do a dental cleaning at a dental hospital. My teeth has to be white. Aside that, I'm coming to do a cleaning and whitening at the same time. I'm doing the combo. Yeah, so you all should wish me luck, because the very first time I tried that in another clinic, my tooth became so sensitive and I could barely eat. Anyways, I'm going to give it another try because I've been wanting my smile to look brighter and whiter. And hopefully everything goes well this time, because I can't afford not to eat because my teeth has become sensitive. Oh Charlie, me and food 5 and 6, so but vim day.
So, going to start our cleaning. The difference becomes brighter than this. Basically, what I want to encourage you to do is when you do whitening, avoid liquids or drinks that has color, that can stain your teeth.
Just go back from a meeting and I decided to have some lunch. Sorry, dinner. My bad. So I'm going to get myself some food and go home. I feel for hot chicken and jollof rice, so I'm going to get that. So I'm trying to pack my things in a bag so that when I get there I'll be able to take some pictures. Okay, but guys, anyway, I'm shooting from my car. We have a car. Finally, we have a car. I think we'll really talk about that later, but yeah, we finally have a car. And if you are seeing this, I'm expecting my second car soon. Yeah, we are expecting our second car soon, because I like the kind of small SUV where it's not like big but it's medium kind of thing. So yeah, I'm getting that soon.
It don't
you forget it. If the first thing you felt forever do for reasons, it's only because you ain't here. I feel in the air, my cold flame.
So I just finished my makeup. So I'm currently going to the studio for my pictures. So let's go together.
Well, everyone said I'm all in.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey.
So I just finished my shoot, but then I want to take pictures and videos on my phone.
Can I get my grown man on point? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be hanging with Jay-Z. Excuse me, miss.
Let me show you guys. I'm going to show you guys my new baby.
Can I take you out tonight? You already know what it's hitting for, ma. I got whatever outside and you know what I'm sitting on. 50-50 venture with them S-Dot.
Good morning. So it's my birthday. Yeah, what could this be? Why do I see it as a perfume? Yeah, it's a perfume. I believe this will also be a perfume, but then I think it came with a card as well. Okay, so it says, may Allah bless your new age with happiness, peace, Rama and Baraka. Happy birthday, my princess. Yeah, so this is day 2 after my birthday. I couldn't record everything, so yeah, let me show you all the things I got on my birthday. This one had this cutie bag. It's so beautiful. It's actually from someone special to my heart. I know someone is going to ask, why did you get gifted for a wig? Yeah, because that's what I want. That is what I wanted. So I have 2 new wigs here too, which I'm going to rock it to show you guys later. I received this cute flower. I'm just a girl in the world, I don't know if you guys can see it well, but this is it's a 3 sets breakfast. You can prepare breakfast, you can if anything, yeah, the food is about to get hot. Good morning. So I just go to the washing bay to wash my 2 babies. From here I'll be going to meet Wendy. Bye bye.
Can I get my grown man on point? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be hanging with Jay-Z. Excuse me, miss. What's your name? Can you come hang with me? Possibly. That's right. Can I take you out tonight? You
Hey, quiet. Beginning, what are you here for? You don't miss me. You don't miss me. We can't handle here for. No, I had no the baby. Shinkwe. But Yama was say, can I do it? And then you know, Dabby.
So I need him to know where they are taking.
You guys, finally I've seen her. The way I miss her, this girl, she has dogged me.
She cheated on me.
She has dogged me. She even, in fact, she's even cheating on me with her baby.
I'm giving birth, so
oh
she
no.
Bye.
Good morning, guys. I have a meeting by 10 a.m. and it's currently 8:38. So I'm praying that I'll be able to get my hair done before 10, because at least I have to leave here by 9:30 or 9:40 or something. So yeah, basically.
my hair, but unfortunately they are done with the meeting, so I want to go get a place to go dine because I haven't eaten since morning. Anyway, I'm looking nice. My hair. Thanks to my man.
So funny morning, check. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. She's not washing material. She's looking at me, wash. She's not washing material.
Shit. Oh, guys, he washed 2 spoons.
What's in your hona? Ah, you wash for the tongue.
Is it nice?
It should be. Smells like a jam.
Yeah, it does. You see, sometimes when you're hungry, everything is nice for you, though.
It's actually nice.
You're waiting for me?
Of course.
Because I'm a woman.
Who will be the game so kawan?
Because I'm better content.
But who will track on who need it?
Let's go on.
Emma.
Let's go. You're supposed to use gloss on your lips.
Hey. Mommy, wait. 4, allow me.
No, it's too much.
Hey!
Wow. No, game over. Why you game over?
What's in the saber?
You guys haven't said you're celebrating, just mean giant. Come here, Ben 5 days you did actually one out the girl scratching on him on crash. This is the raw result I'm be seeing behind the camera.
I think you need to set your timetable. Right.
Okay. Thank you. Nado.
Hi. What's
why are you today?
It's the way she'll be acting like God.
So I want to share my opinion. I feel like Sabina has the potential. She has the face, she has the looks, she has everything. But then she probably gets distracted because of her work. Okay, like Eja has said it all. So I think you need a manager at this point to be able to handle both at the same time.
One of my goals is to take content creation
serious. You have to.
Oh, Charlie, I've cried, sir. For who? Boy, it's not broken artist. From who? From who else? My ex-man. Hey!
Okay, so she forgot that she's recorded and the battery is low. 6%.
Comes to Ghana in July.
Hey, not more.
But right now, I want to be.
I don't even know how to swap this thing to see her face because she's not serious. She's. Now this is her. She left the phone and the battery has become 6%.
Before record, they catch from Museli.
On you serious?
Oh,
hey, that wasn't new. Wasn't new. When they brought it, wasn't new.
Look here.
Oh no, me I can't
God. Yeah, but what you do is not that way. You do this.
Tell you down. Girls are stressing the men at this point.
Okay, hi guys. So I came to this house with Nana, my boyfriend. But then we decided to pretend like we did not know each other. Okay, but right now, like the girls are dying.
AJ, where
so
are you?
I'm claiming him back. I don't know. One
He's
girl
for AJ for tonight.
I met at this house. AJ, bro. She's stressing. Just look at this. Do you have ass?
No.
And the content, no. What the sound?
Hey, no, she don't. Hey!
My man. Oh, baby. Oh,
That's wrong for them. Thank you.
Your chest alone kills me, nigga. No, let me explain. So someone like the same age with me, I cannot date. He's not my age, but he has this face that like yeah, he has this.
So like, what age gap?
At least 7 years, 5 years, 8 years.
Yeah.
And even with that 5 years, even your face alone can let me say no because you look like a kid. You don't behave like a matured man.
Simple and short. Bitch needs an old man.
No, I don't need an old man.
You know, in life, sometimes you meet people and you need to help them. But one thing I love so much is the fact that this girl here is like, she appreciates the little things I do for her. Even though I saw her as a beggar, right now she's like a sister to me. And I love
You guys, she met me when I was begging on the road.
and I love her so much. Keep being the way that you are, and God will definitely reward you. Okay, the fact that you were a beggar and now you are still.
Give me 200 cedis, please.
Oh my God, you need money now.
Yes,
I
please.
feed you.
No, I'm not easy.
I will feed you. I will feed you. It's not easy, but help. I just.
He's giving cute face boy, but not
And
mature. I told them no. I'm saying he gives cute face, but not no. Me, I don't date cute or handsome or ugly.
So what is
So AJ is trying to say all her exes are ugly.
How do you consider?
No, I don't date ugly men. You see, Nanaya, they have ladies.
You say you don't date cute and handsome men.
When you ask them, what's respect? I love fine boys.
Yes, so there's difference. There's difference.
Mine is
saying that and saying that you don't date handsome guys.
No, I don't. I'm not putting it that way. No, shut the fuck up. My exes are not ugly. What I want to say is, you know they have girls who be like say, hey, I didn't know who you're for. Wait, Jimmy, who dating? I want to know the
Can you speak without insulting?
I'm sorry. So you can't just ask them. I'll tell you, I'm dating this guy because his color, his face. No.
His color?
His face. You don't do that. You date a man like. It comes with like it's like a package.
Wait, so why are you trying to slay when we are about to eat cake?
What am I Reagan? Okay,
did you wash him?
Yeah, I did. I was the one washing the plate. I did.
My favorite.
So if you're going to date a man, don't date a man because the man is like handsome, like he has.
Are you advising?
I'm advising.
And it looks like
people only date for that and they later regret it.
It sounds like I'm talking too much, but see, the best people to listen to are people going through heartbreak.
Oh shit. I'm not.
That was a punchline.
Are you fucking mad? No, I'm advising you not because I'm not going through shit. Lady, I'm fucking fine.
AJ is one of the strongest women alive.
You should know that. I can go through shit and go and dance Samuel. Kwasi, I need mommy Jimmy.
Oh my God.
You're making me say Kwasi too much. But I look cute.
Yeah, you are very cute.
You are.
Oh my, I love my friends so much.
I don't love you.
I love you. Oh, I didn't just show me. I did this out.
Yeah, and dance. Yeah.
All of them are good.
Yeah, that was a booking hat. My age is so calm.
Ohini, you're so calm.
The last time you asked was 2017.
Like you have like a very calm demeanor. Someone like you cannot date age you one day.
And I'm the best girl to date.
Like he has too much of a calm demeanor for a girl like you.
Why are you showing my man? Oh my God. Like that.
Oh really?
Someone am I lying?
Like this hour.
So come.
I don't know your ex.
Okay, sometimes harsh girls like this end up getting the cool guys though.
Yeah, if you date me, you
Come,
be
you
the
are
best
getting
friend.
too close.
You're going here. You're going on fast like this. Before we come like this. One thing. So, if you be safe. That's a fuck last one.
We are going to the. Now where's my car?
You said we can only park one car.
And yours, they packed yours and they left my own.
I didn't know they were going
My
to
own
park.
that when they take it, I will cry.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It's so good.
The Osmo.
Is that Ashbo?
Are you recording already?
Oh, yeah, right for this.
Okay, now.
You're on your own.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Wow, so. Wait! No, it's not me. Let's follow.